I'm in my 2014 Ford Taurus, trying to get my car to start, but this is what it sounds like when I try to start it. Let go of the key, still tries to start, times out. Watch some videos that say pull the fuel pump control module out of the back right there behind that panel. I don't want to go around and do that. So I'm coming in the back side from the passenger side. Hold the seat down. Look here. I pulled this out. It's that right there. So I'm going to use a 10mm socket and ratchet to pull that out of there, and then we'll take it to the auto parts store. So I took the screws off, pull this out, push down right here, and pull apart. Might need to use a screwdriver to push that down. And it's just this piece here. I'm gonna take that to the store, be back in a little bit. Okay, grab the new piece, put it in, I'll just turn it on real quick, make sure it starts. Okay, so now I'm back in the car, I'm gonna start it up. Alright, started right up. That was the problem. Good fix.